My favorite part of my home is my living room so far. It has 3 tall transom windows that look out on Highway 74. I just love it. I love the view. I love the location of my home, the lot it sits on. And next to that, it would be probably my master bedroom. My name is Joseph Jackson and I live in the Grove community. My master bathroom, it has, I have a deep jetted tub. It has the circle master bedroom closet, and I do have a tall dresser in there that I love. So those are some favorite parts of my home. The overall building experience, I'm very pleased. It went very well. I like the finished product of my home, the way it turned out. I like the colors of my home, the color selection. It looks very nice, and I'm very pleased with my home. I love my back patio. It's like 10 feet tall. The ceiling is very tall compared to my other homes that I've owned in the past. This one is very, very tall. I love it that I can control my sprinkler system. It has, with the ability to control it and winterize it myself. Just the amenities that came with the home. Absolutely, I definitely recommend Homes by Tabor to a family member or friend. I will be returning as a repeat customer myself. I'm pleased with my home, and like I said, I'm looking forward to getting in and enjoying it many years.